What's going on, guys? It is Bernardo, and today is all about configuring a domain join service account. So let's get right into it. All right, so today is all about creating a service account, and this is the only service account that you're going to be using to domain join your computers into your Active Directory or domain controller, or whatever you want to call it, right? If you have multiple domain admins within your infrastructure, within your job, each one of them have the access to domain join a computer. We don't want that. You want to limit that to only one account. So let's get into a workstation. I am logged into my PC02. Within PC02, I have all my, group policy management, Active Directory utilities in here. So within my PC02, I am going to open up the Group Policy Management Console, and we're going to locate the default domain controllers policy. The reason why we're doing this is because I'm going to show you. We're going to right-click on the GPO. We're going to click on Edit. Within here, let's go into Computer Configuration. Let's open up Policies. Let's go into Windows Setting. And within Windows Settings, let's get into Security Settings. Within Security Settings, open up Local Policies. Within Local Policies, click on User Rights Assignment. And on the right-hand side, we are going to locate Add Workstation to Domain. Look at the policy. Underneath Policy Settings, that column, it says Authenticated Users. Authenticated users are able to domain join computers. That is not what we want. That is the reason why we are going to limit it to a service account. So let's double click on it. We're going to select Authenticated Users, click on Remove, click on Apply, click on OK. Let's close that up and let's open up our Active Directory console. And within here, I am going to click on View and make sure you have Advanced Features checked off. Make sure you have that. Now, behind the scenes, I already created my service account. This is the name of my service account, SVC Domain Join. I gave it a nice little description, account used to domain join computers. Self-explanatory. Always add a nice description. It makes it easy for the next system admin to know what these accounts are for. So let's click on our domain. I'm going to right-click on it. I'm going to select Properties. Within Properties, let's go into Attribute Editor. Within Attribute Editor, we need to locate the following: MS-DS Machine Account Quota. By default, it is set to 10. So let's click on Edit. We're going to set that value to 0 and then click on OK. Let's click Apply. Let's click OK. Now, let's get into the computer's OU, or the organizational unit. Let's right-click on it and select Delegate Control. Let's click Next here. We're going to click on Add. We're going to type in our service account, which this is it for me. Click Check Name. It should highlight it, underline it. It found it. Great. Click OK. Click Next here. We're going to select Create a Custom Task to Delegate. Click Next. From here, we're going to do only the following objects in the folder. So, enable that little radio button. We're going to select Computer Objects. We're going to also check off Create Selected Objects in this folder, and also check off Delete Selected Objects in this folder, and then click Next. We're going to select Full Control. So just give it a check mark, Full Control. Click Next. Click Finish. And that's it. That is how we create a service account. Now, this account is the account that you're going to be using to domain join computers into Active Directory. And that's it. Everyone else, big no-no. And that's it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.